The top 10 benefits of yoga, a healthy lifestyle. Yoga is a popular form of exercise and relaxation that has been practiced for thousands of years. It involves a series of physical postures, breathing exercises, and meditation techniques that can help to improve overall health and well-being. Here are the top 10 benefits of doing yoga. Number 1. Reduces stress and anxiety. One of the main benefits of practicing yoga is its ability to reduce stress and anxiety. The breathing and meditation techniques used in yoga can help to calm the mind and reduce feelings of anxiety and stress. Number 2. Yoga has been shown to be an effective way to help reduce blood pressure naturally by improving circulation. Yoga poses and breathing exercises help to increase blood flow to the body's organs and tissues, including the heart, reducing the risk of heart disease and stroke. Number 3. Practicing yoga can help increase the circulation of blood and lymphatic fluid, which can help flush toxins from the body and improve immune function. Number 4. Yoga helps stimulate the brain and promote the growth of new brain cells, which can enhance memory retention and recall. Number 5. It also increases flexibility and balance, helping to increase range of motion in the joints, improve posture, and prevent injuries. Number 6. Improves physical strength. The various yoga poses require you to use your own body weight to build strength and endurance in your muscles. This can help to improve overall fitness levels and reduce the risk of chronic conditions such as osteoporosis and heart disease. Number 7. Yoga is a great way to improve stamina, as deep breathing techniques used in yoga help to increase lung capacity and oxygenation of the muscles, improving overall endurance. Number 8. Enhances mental clarity and focus. Another benefit of practicing yoga is its ability to enhance mental clarity and focus. Yoga requires concentration and focus, which can help to improve cognitive function and memory. It can also help to reduce symptoms of depression and improve overall mood. Number 9. Yoga can also help improve empathy, as individuals become more in tune with their own emotions and those of others. Number 10. Finally, yoga is an excellent way to promote relaxation and improve sleep. Studies have shown that regular yoga practice can help to reduce the time it takes to fall asleep, improve the quality of sleep, and reduce symptoms of insomnia. Overall, yoga is an excellent way to improve physical health, mental well-being, and overall quality of life. Whether you are looking to reduce stress, improve flexibility, or increase strength, yoga can help you achieve your goals. Why wait? Click on the links below for some great yoga products to help get you started. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and share.